You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that get many people confused, a given name of English, Old English and Old French origin. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. In French it'd be said Colin, but that's not the English pronunciation. In English it's normally pronounced as Colin. It's not co, not colon. Colin, stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce? Easy once you know, pretty straightforward once you know. Colin, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.